2017 Ford Fusion. Replace them windshield wipers. This also works on different Ford Fusion models as long as it looks the same. To replace the windshield wipers, you just have to press these buttons on both sides and push it out. And this pops out. This new version has it's from Bosch. It looks a little different than the old one because it has that little top here. This one, the old one does not. So it kind of works the same way. You kind of put this first part in first, then you snap it on top. And this top part will just kind of jump in like that, and that's it. And then to take it off again, you push this in. You can get it out again. Pretty easy.